Meaning of domestically.
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 Domestically. The word domestically is derived from the word domestic, which means relating to the home or family. In an economic context, domestically refers to activities that occur within a particular country's borders. Domestic economic activity can include the production, consumption, and exchange of goods and services within a nation. Domestic policies, such as tax and trade regulations, are designed to promote and regulate domestic economic activity. In summary, domestically refers to economic activity that takes place within a particular country and is regulated by domestic policies.